Yo, what's up YouTube? Oliver Reacts. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ayun, nandito na naman tayo sa ating video na mga horror videos ay mga katatakutan. At ito na naman, may bagong video na naman po si Nook Stock 5. Ayun, panoorin po natin. Ayun, bago po tayo magsimula mga boss, please po pa-subscribe po ang ating YouTube channel at i-click yung notification bell para maging update po kayo sa mga bago kong uploads. Ayun, simulan na natin po mga boss. Pindutin na natin, baka pindutin po ng iba. Let's go!
TikTok user Leo Lords 15 is excited about getting a fresh start as she and her young daughter move into a new home. But soon after they move in, her daughter begins to behave very strangely. The young girl claims to have made a new friend, a friend that lives inside
Ayun bata, nakakatakot naman nito bata.
their new house. Now the mom is pretty freaked out, so she prepares a security camera to keep an eye on her young daughter. And one day, it captures
Ayun, ang ganda ng CCTV nyo.
something absolutely terrifying.
Ito talagang halong edit or scripted kasi bata at saka CCTV yung kuha. Ayun o.
It feels beautiful and funny.
Ha?
What are you both doing?
Oy, may siya, may kausap siya. Hindi natin nakikita.
Do you want to play?
Uy. Huwag naman, oy. Talagang wag natin talagang iwan ang bata na nag-iisa. Tignan yung ganito. Dapat lagi may kasama talaga.
Want to? Do you want to?
Ayun. Paano ko magsalita yan? Patay tayo dyan.
Sleep? Do you want to?
Uy! Bumukas yung pintuan. Uy, ano yun? Uy. Uy, may tunog. May tunog. Uy, ano yun? Para siyang yung wolf or tawag nito. Nakakatakot naman. Yun. Yung bata natakot na. Ayan, yung bata natakot. Uy. Grabe, nakakatakot. Kusang bumukas yung pintuan. Uy. Dahan-dahan lang.
The
Uy.
young girl can be seen having a
Grabe naman yun. Nakakatakot nun. Buti siya, di siya tumakbo bigla.
conversation with someone that we can't see. Then, two footsteps can be heard before the closet door slowly opens on its own.
May footsteps.
As it opens, three more footsteps can be heard, almost as if something is walking out of the closet.
Oh. Nag-high pa.
The girl seems very freaked out as she slowly gets to her feet and
Natakot na yan ang bata yan. Grabe, mga bata nakakita talaga na Kaya dapat talaga hindi dapat iwan ng mga batang ganyan.
sneaks toward the door to make her escape out of the room. So it seems that whatever just came out of that closet, she doesn't want to be anywhere near it. Really disappeared off of TikTok. What makes this footage even creepier is that this family completely disappeared off of TikTok in 2022. So whatever
Yung mga video talaga ni Nox na top 5, grabe, mga ano talaga, maganda.
happened to TikTok user Leo Lords 15 and her daughter remains a mystery. The Night Visitor.
Yun, ito maganda to. Ayun. Let's go.
Mrs. Tennyson from Tulsa, Oklahoma is an overnight caregiver for the elderly. She says that one of her clients has been having full conversations with someone in her sleep. After hearing some strange noises coming from the elderly woman's room, the concerned caregiver
Yung mga caretaker talaga, mga caregiver, yan. Laging nakakita yan kasi yung mga doon sa mga hospital or sa ano, doon kasi namamatay, tas doon na nagpaparamdam, nagpapakita.
keeps a close eye on the bedroom security camera as the woman sleeps. It's late at night and Mrs. Tennyson
Tsaka minsan may makakita kang ano, tawag nito, yung parang kaluluwa or yung shadow.
is all alone when she spots something downright creepy.
Every night I'm at work, I be thinking I'm tripping. But you gotta watch this
Ay, nakita mo yan?
video, y'all. You
Ayun,
see that move under the bed?
ayun sa baba ng ano, ng higaan, sa gilid.
Like I know for a fact this close to my client's house. I be seeing, you see it keep moving like right there under the bed?
Ayun oh, pabalik-balik.
It's moving back and forth. You see it?
Ayun oh, nakita nyo yun? Yung puti na ano, maliit dyan oh.
It's
Ito, dito. Ito banda oh. Grabe.
ghost in my client's house. Look under her bed. It'll come out and go back. Now she in bed sleep. She ain't moved an ounce.
Uy,
But do you see how it keep coming out, going back in?
grabe, nakakatakot ng ganyan.
This
Sobrang creepy din oh.
is no joke.
Bed, even though the elderly woman has no dogs or cats. After the video
Imposible din yun na ano, yung pusa sa puti kasi.
was posted to TikTok,
Saka transparent siya.
viewers wonder whether the woman was visited by a deceased pet or loved one.
Ah,
Caregiver Mrs. Tennyson confirmed that the woman's husband has passed away. So could this be a visit from the woman's deceased husband or some other loved one or pet? Let me know what you
grabe
think.
eh. Nakatakot.
Hiding in plain
Nakatakot mga boss. Yan, pag ano, tuloy lang natin, tuloy. Dito na tayo sa number 8. Yun, let's go. Grabe talaga ang video niya, no? Nox Top 5.
sight. Now, unfortunately, this next creepy video was shared to the internet without a source. The video shows a guy doing a paranormal investigation of allegedly cursed objects in a haunted house.
Yeah.
Using a thermal imaging camera, he looks around the room to check for any fluctuations in temperature.
Ay, gumamit siya ng ano, yung gadget na makakita ng ano, nang hindi makikita lang sa normal na camera.
Instead, he sees something that makes his blood run cold.
Ano yan? Uy!
What the hell?
Ay, sumisilip. Ano yan?
What is that?
Parang alien ah. Uy! Gumalaw oh. Kitang-kita oh. Ito oh. Grabe.
What the?
Uy! Wala.
The thermal imaging camera shows a childlike face peeking out from the cupboard in front of him. But when he looks up from the camera, there's no one there.
Grabe.
Not only that, but there's absolutely no room for anyone to be hiding behind those cupboards.
Ang creepy naman. Baka may nagtago dito. Nakakatakot naman. Ang creepy naman ito. O yun oh. Forward lang natin mga boss. Dito tayo sa isa.
Video was sent in by Nukes Top 5 viewer Craig Davis from Sydney, Australia.
Ayan, sa Sydney, Australia naman.
Craig
Ba't may bata?
says that he was alone late one night babysitting his 1-year-old son. He checks his son's baby monitor and sees something truly chilling.
Ito nakakatakot to bata. Dito biro. Ano, totoo to. Natala ko may gumagalaw. Uy, ano nangyari? Uy, may kamay. May kamay sa paahan ng bata. Uy, ano yan? Uy,
Did you
putik.
see it? On the right side,
Uy. Tumayo yung balibo ko. Putik na yan. Lakas pa ng headset ko.
at the bottom of the frame, a small childlike hand can be seen entering the 1-year-old's crib
Oh,
and then
grabe may kalaro siya.
immediately pulling back away. Craig says that he and his wife only have one home.
Putik na yan.
Craig last 10 years. The Melbourne experiences in their house over the last 10 years. The Melbourne Zombie. Amber Carter from Melbourne, Australia, and her friend Tiana are parked at McDonald's and
Grabe no, nakakatakot no, yung pag nakakita ka ng multong bata. Grabe. Ang creepy naman.
enjoying their food when suddenly something happens that absolutely scares the out of them.
Uy, putik. Ano, totoo yan or ano? Ang tawag tawag nito? Yung ano lang? Nagpa-prank lang.
Absolutely scares the out of them.
Hi. Oh my god, Tiana, go! Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Tiana! It's okay, honey.
Putik.
Tiana! Tiana! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Amber says that the creepy woman came up to her
Nakakatakot naman yan.
window from behind the car and attempted to open the passenger door several times. Amber says that she was so startled by the woman's appearance that at first glance she thought she was a zombie. Now, the mysterious woman certainly isn't a zombie, but after Amber shared her experience online, locals in the Melbourne area have come out and said that they too have seen this woman and that she's known to try to open doors to cars and even apartments and houses.
Sinirado na nila kasi baka papasok.
So
Siyempre nakakatakot ng ganyan.
sometimes it's good to remember to keep your doors locked at
Grabe, nakakagulat naman yan.
all times, or she
Ooh.
just might get ya.
Oh my god, Tiana, go! Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Tiana!
We need scary videos. So if you see a scaryvid.com,
Grabe.
they might have a potential intruder lurking just outside
Sobrang haba na ng video ni Nox Talk 5 kaya sobrang ganda yung mga video niya.
their house. So
Pag tuwing day off ko, lagi ko itong pinapanood. Kaya yun, i-share ko lang sa inyo kung mga videos ni Nox Talk 5.
they quickly check their security camera footage. What they see in their backyard shocks them to their core.
Hello guys, Aji ko pala. Pinapakita
O yan, Tagalog. Ulitin ko.
Shocks them to their core.
Hello guys, Aji ko pala. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung ano yung nakuha
Ilonggo.
ng CCTV namin noong
Uy.
2019 pa.
CCTV na naman. Yan. Totoo to.
Ayan, October 14, 2019.
Oo.
So, ngayon ko lang siya binidyoan or pinakita sa inyo kasi hinanap ko talaga tong video na to. Yung record ng CCTV namin noon sa bahay ng parents ko. So, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung
Nakakatakot naman. Last 12 na naman. Daling araw.
nakuha ng CCTV namin. Tingnan nyo guys sa 10:29:17. Okay? Tingnan nyo dito, may lalabas dito na parang usok. Tapos mabilis siyang papunta dito. Okay, wait natin mag 17. Okay, wait lang natin
Fast forward mo.
17 seconds.
Uy. Uy!
Ayun.
Ano yun? Kaluluwa. Baka may dumaan dito.
17 seconds.
Uy,
Okay, back natin.
grabe, nakakatakot naman yan.
17. Tingnan nyo dito.
Oh, bumalik.
Ayun. Tingnan nyo. Ulitin natin. 17.
Binalik lang pala niya. Oh,
Ayun, sobrang bilis niya. Tapos yung pangalawang nagpakita siya.
yun, may pangalawa pa. Ano ba yan? Sige.
Is 10:30. Tingnan nyo dito, mag-20 dyan. Tapos sa time na to,
Yun yung talaga nakakatakot pag may CCTV no, sa bahay. Wala, makikita mo yung mga kababalagan ba.
parang lumalakad
Kaya ayaw ko maglagay ng camera dito. Baka ano, kasi ako lang mag-isa.
na lang siya. Tingnan nyo, parang usok. Tapos
Uy,
nawala siya dito.
uy.
Click natin.
Transparent. Huwag mo
Sa
na
mga
ba-
hindi pa naniniwala na may mga espiritu talaga na gumagala sa
Yung spirito, totoo talaga yan, mga ganyan spirito.
bahay natin, sa labas man o
Dati nakakita na rin ako ng multo, pero sayang di ko nakunan yung video eh. Yung itim lang siya, na parang shadow.
loob ng bahay. So ito na, nakita ko na.
The security footage shows a translucent white shape that seems to walk back and forth through their backyard, randomly appearing and disappearing right in front of the camera.
Kaya gustong gusto ko manood ng mga ganitong horror kasi na-experience ko na rin kasi nakakita ng multo, kaya yun. Gusto ko talaga manood ng ganito.
But when the family goes outside to check, there's no one there. They don't see or hear
Uy.
anyone nearby.
Pero nakakatakot yung multo na ano, yung nagdadabog, may mga nagsilparan yung mga gamit, no?
Only their family dog seems to be able to detect this strange presence. Family,
Forward tayo.
along for the ride.
Ayan,
At a
ayun, number 4 na tayo. Let's go. May ano pa, may tatlo pa.
fair in Johor Bahru, Malaysia, proud mother Rina Rosni is recording her son Muiz while he's enjoying an amusement ride. But as little Muiz goes round and round, Rina notices something very disturbing.
Ano yan? Saan banda? Hindi ko nakita. Saan ba yun?
6 putih, putih 64.
Wala, mag-isa lang siya. Dalawa sila kanina ah. Ulitin ko, dalawa sila kanina. Na dalawa oh.
4 putih, putih 64.
Uy,
Another
siya na lang mag-isa. Baka nahulog.
boy, seemingly about the same age as Rina's son Muiz, can be seen
Nakaputi.
seated right next to him.
Nakamas.
As the ride comes back around,
Uy, nakamas. Baka nahulog yan.
the other boy seems to have just disappeared.
Uy, nawala.
On TikTok, Rina says that she doesn't know who the other boy was. She says that when the ride stopped and her son got off, the other boy was nowhere to be found.
Nakatakot naman yan. Baka nawala, nahulog.
So she asks her son, "Who was that boy riding with you?" But her son was confused and had no idea what she was even talking about.
Hindi alam na, hindi nakita ng bata.
So, who is this? Let me know what you think.
Oo, kitang-kita yung mukha ng bata. Oh. Parang chinito, tas ano, nakamas na itim.
Fairy or
Uy, nakatakot talaga. Ito na, number 3 na tayo.
fairy tale? Now, this next video was suggested thousands of times, and once again, I'm not remotely suggesting that this video is real. However, the video has gone viral with millions of viewers loving its whimsical nature. Take a look.
This the spot. This the spot. Nah, come
Uy, ang laki naman naman yan.
back out.
Uy, hala.
Why you be peeking like that?
Hala, totoo ba yan? Parang di totoo ah.
Come back out. Look. Why you be peeking like that?
Hala.
Peeking. Alright, so look, let me know.
This video was
Hala, nakakatakot naman yan. May ganyan pala.
allegedly captured on a live stream while viewers watched in real time
Ay, live stream pa no.
as a man
Hindi talaga siya, ano, edit. Hindi ma-edit yung live.
captured what appears to be a tiny fairy-like creature peeking out from a tree hollow. Now, whether this footage is real or just some very good effects, I leave that entirely up to you to decide.
Sa akin, parang hindi siya, hindi siya effects. Live eh.
However, even though the legitimacy
Hirap naman kung siya, kung edit siya. Paano ma-edit yung live? Or effects sa live? Imposible naman.
of the video is very questionable,
Tapos, klarong-klaro na nakatago talaga siya dun sa loob. Nandun talaga siya sa loob.
there are many people who just don't care. These
Ano daw?
viewers all say that they just enjoy the fantasy of watching a cute video of a man finding a fairy in a tree. Spirit.
Pero nakakatakot naman yun.
TikTok user VKT recently started a new job at a liquor store in Kentucky. He's at work one evening when he starts to hear random creepy sounds that he
Ayan, ganyan na experience ko na rin yung naririnig yung boses tapos wala pala sa tabi mo, walang tao.
simply can't explain.
Tapos kami ng dalawa ng ate ko na nakarinig. Tapos tinawag yung pangalan ko, nakakatakot yun.
He grabs his phone and starts to record.
So I'm here
Wala lang, tawag to. Share ko lang sa inyo. Yeah, let's go mga boss.
at work, and I'm 100% sure I'm hearing my voice right now.
Oh, meron. Sabi niya hello.
Do you hear that?
Oh, hello.
Do you hear?
Narinig ko hello. Babae. Baka may kasama siya dyan. Nasa likod lang niya.
Do you hear that?
No.
Do you hear that?
La, ano yun? May sinabi.
Do you hear that? What is that?
I like you.
I'm freaking out right now because I'm the only one in the store.
Nasa likod niya.
It sounded like it was right
Yung boses nasa likod.
behind me. Yo, I hear it. Please tell me you guys hear this.
Sabi niya, how are you?
Did you hear it?
Oh,
A soft,
rinig ka.
unexplained voice can be heard several times, seemingly whispering to VKT.
And do you hear that?
I'm here pala. I'm here tsaka si hello yung sinabi. Behind you. Asa, butik na yun. Nakakatakot naman yan.
What is that?
Uy, grabe talaga no.
Please tell me you guys hear this.
Parang, ewan ko. Parang nakakatakot talaga ganyan.
Now, I reached out to TikTok user VKT and he says that he didn't used to believe in the paranormal at all and was actually a skeptic. That is, until he started working at this liquor store.
Grabe, hunted siguro yung ano niyan, yung tindahan na yan.
It sounded like
And bottles fall. As he has worked at the store, he says that doors often open by themselves and bottles fall on the floor randomly
Ayun na nakakatakot, yung nagliliparan ng mga gamit.
with no explanation. VKT says he asked his
Kasi pwede tayo matamaan yan.
co-workers
Or masugatan.
about the strange incidents, and they all told him flat out, well, this store is haunted. But there's
May nakakita na sa kamera. Oh. Ano nangyari?
more, because as VKT continues to work at the store, things just get creepier and creepier.
Okay, guys, so I'm hearing like noises coming from this back room.
No? Nagdabog.
Oh my goodness, bro, it's happening again. All right, I'm gonna go and look.
Grabe, ang tapang naman niya. Uy!
As you can see, nobody's back here. Nobody's behind the door. Nobody just came out behind me. Like, I'm serious.
Someone or something can be heard banging on the door to the back storage room from the inside, while an unknown voice whispers some very disturbing things.
All right, I'm gonna go and look.
Oh Lord. Die.
Some very disturbing things.
All right, I'm gonna go and look.
And things just continue to get worse. One day, VKT is completely alone at work when this happens.
Yeah. Come on, man.
Uy, wala na, nag-wild na.
Work when this happens.
Yeah. Come on, man. Oh, my plane.
Grabe, ang tapang naman yan.
Oh my god, what the
Lalo na, ano yun? May tao sa likod.
Oh, my plane. Oh my god, what the there's nobody in the store.
Putik ni... Uy. Grabe, tumayo na talaga yung balibo ko.
Come on, man. Oh, my plane.
Gusto ko makita yung ano.
Oh my god, what the there's nobody in the store, dude. It's freaking me out, bro. It's freaking me out, bro. Come on.
Tinig na yan sa loob kung ano. Nandun pala talaga sa loob yung sumilip.
Where you at? Like,
May sumilip pala yan.
come on. Bro, you go sit here and show yourself. Show yourself
Grabe, ang tapang naman.
in front of me.
The door of a stand-up cooler in the back of the store opens by itself. But when VKT
Bukas ng kusa, oh.
looks through the glass of the cooler, a dark
Oh, yun, oh. May dark. Ganyan yung nakita ko dun sa Cebu. Dun sa amin. Dark figure lang siya. Tas biglang nawala. Tinatawag.
figure can be seen quickly moving out of sight in the back room. VKT quickly runs around and into the back storage room, but he finds nothing and no one. The room is empty.
Come on, where you at? Like, come on.
So,
Grabe, ang tapang, oy.
what do you think is popular Saudi Arabian?
Dito tayo.
It comes out.
Ayan, last na. It comes out in the wash. Ayan, last na mga boss. At kung nagustuhan nyo po yung video na to, i-subscribe nyo po si Nox Top 5. Ayan.
Wash.
At ilagay ko siya sa description.
Popular Saudi Arabian explorer Jassim is back on another
Adventures Jazim.
exploration to find and capture evidence of the paranormal.
Doon talaga sa Saudi, mga Middle East, meron din na-encounter din ako doon sa Middle East, meron ng ganun.
This time,
Mas nakakatakot din doon. May maraming ang tawag nito, mga abandonadong bahay.
Jassim investigates a long-abandoned apartment complex. Eerily enough, he finds evidence that a child once lived here.
Uy, grabe. Ano talaga, sirang-sira na dyan. Uy. Ano yan? Uy, putik. Ay, akala ko picture pala. Akala ko yung tawag ito, yung sumilip.
صورة أطفال.
Ano nangyari dyan? Ano yung bahay?
Scooby-Doo, where are you?
Uy, huwag mong hanapin. Baka magpakita dyan.
For unknown reasons, old black and white photos of a young girl have been taped to the wall in one of the many abandoned rooms. Now these seem completely out of place in the old decrepit building. Then, nearby, Jassim finds a creepy drawing of the popular children's cartoon, Scooby-Doo. And this is
Baka lang kasi tumira dyan, tas lang. Tawag nito. Nag-drawing lang or may nilagay dyan.
when things start to get really weird. Because Jassim starts to hear strange, unexplained sounds.
Kani.
سمعت أصوات.
Uy. Ano yan?
في حد؟
Fihad. Uy.
Hello?
Uy. May kalapag sa loob.
anyone here? في حد؟
Puntahan mo.
The explorer hears the sounds of someone or something moving around inside the building, seemingly close by. Jassim eventually finds a small courtyard, and what happens next is absolutely terrifying.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من شر ما خلق. بسم الله.
Uy, dahan lang. Uy. Nagulat ako. May batang sumilip.
بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بكلمات الله.
As Jasim walks by old towels hung on a clothesline,
Oh, walang tao dyan, oh. Put na. Nagulat ako.
he
Hindi na naman ako makatulog dito.
sees the terrifying pale face of a child with pitch black eyes peeking back at him. Terrified, Jasim jumps back, but whoever or whatever it was has disappeared. So could this be the ghost of a child? Perhaps even the little girl from the photos he found earlier. Could this be the sinister entity of a jinn appearing as a child? Or is this just really good effects and a
Sibli naman effects yan.
very elaborate
Oh, sus.
hoax? I leave it up to you to decide.
Ayun mga boss, mga idol, natapos na rin, nakakatakot. Ayun, dito na lang po na nagtatapos ang ating mga katatok-katokang videos. Ayun, please po subscribe po sa YouTube ko at i-click yun ulit yung notification bell para maging update po kayo sa bago kong uploads. Ayun, see you next time mga boss. Bye-bye!
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.